Hi, second graders. Today you are working on the next piece of your assessment for Skills Unit 5. We're on Lesson 28 today. What I would like to do is show you what your Google form will look like and then explain what I need you to do for this assessment. Unit 5, Lesson 28 is a dictation assessment, so there are 20 questions. Select the word that's read in this video for each question and listen closely. I'll say the question number that we're on and then tell you one word. You need to pick the word that I say out loud. Let's get started. Number 1, across. Across. Number 2, hadn't. Hadn't. Number 3, mother. Mother. Number 4, decide. Decide. Number 5, shove. Shove. Number 6, apple. Apple. Number 7, nation. Nation. Number 8, funnel. Funnel. Number 9, couple. Couple. Number 10, cousin. Cousin. Make sure you're using the pause button if you need to go back and listen to a word again. I only read it just the 2 times. Number 11, traction. Traction. Number 12, above. Above. Number 13, dangerous. Dangerous. Number 14, wonderful. Wonderful. Number 15, love. Love. Number 16, hideous. Hideous. Number 17, pedal. Pedal. Number 18, fossil. Fossil. Number 19, cheerful. Cheerful. And number 20, animal. Animal. Remember, you can always go back and listen to the video another time. It's a benefit of having it recorded on a video for you ahead of time. So go ahead and listen if you need to a second time. Make sure that you're selecting the word that I read out loud. Some of them are tricky and kind of close to each other. But take your time and try your best. That's all you have to do for today's assessment is the decoding and dictation assessment. So try your very best and let us know if you have any questions.